So yeah, here I am, and there's my cigarette smoke, which is not good. But well, I'll tell you what, little victories. The cruiser has been so frickin' dirty, absolutely dirty. Well, I knew that to keep my equipment and everything clean, just to have a fair run at the shot here, doing that, as opposed to going down to the car wash in Eureka, which is an obsolete mess. I purchased a pressure washer, and boy, look at there, other thing. There's, excuse me, still some ugly film on it, and this thing doesn't do much justice. But boy, I'll tell you what, I used a pressure washer today, and that thing just worked like a top. Yeah. So here I am. I'm on the I'm on the watch. I'll watch in every direction that I can for the big grizz. Yeah.